Hello everyone, welcome to the ELISA Science Flow Cytometry Practical Guide. In the previous video, we learned about the differences between Multiplex Cytokine Detection Kits and ELISA kits in terms of experimental principles, detection throughput, and sensitivity. We will continue to explore the differences between the two methods in terms of experimental procedures, sample consumption, and cost. When choosing the appropriate detection method, it is crucial to consider not only their technical characteristics but also the ease of operation, sample volume required, and cost-effectiveness. Experimental procedure. ELISA is relatively simple but can be time-consuming. Because ELISA experiments require multiple steps such as washing, incubation, sample addition, color development, and data reading. Typically, the entire process may take anywhere from 3 to 6 hours, or even longer. Multiplex cytokine detection kits have a procedure similar to that of ELISA, but the washing and incubation steps can be simplified, significantly reducing the total experiment time. Most multiplex assays can be completed in 3 hours. Sample consumption. Let's take the EcoPlex Human Inflammation 6-plex panel kit as an example and compare it with ELISA. The EcoPlex Human Inflammation 6-plex panel kit can simultaneously detect 6 cytokines IL-1 beta, IL-6, IL-8, IL-10, IL-12, and TNF-alpha. Only using 15 microliter of sample. In contrast, for ELISA, 6 separate kits would be required, consuming 300 microliter of sample. Regarding time, the EcoPlex Human Inflammation 6-plex panel kit can be completed in 3 hours, while using ELISA would require 6 separate experiments, taking much longer. Experimental cost. In terms of cost, ELISA has an advantage when detecting a single cytokine. However, when multiple cytokines need to be detected, the cost of a multiplex cytokine detection kit is significantly lower. From the overall comparison, it is clear that while ELISA kits are more affordable per test, the cost of multiple kits for detecting multiple cytokines can significantly increase. Additionally, ELISA requires more labor and time, resulting in higher operational costs. While the initial cost of multiplex cytokine detection kits is higher, they can detect multiple cytokines in a single experiment, require smaller sample volumes, and save time and labor. As a result, for large-scale experiments or when simultaneous detection of multiple cytokines is needed, the overall cost may be more advantageous with multiplex cytokine detection kits. Both methods have their strengths and weaknesses. ELISA is simple to perform, highly sensitive, and remains the gold standard for single cytokine quantification. For precise detection of a single cytokine, ELISA still has irreplaceable advantages. The core advantage of multiplex cytokine detection kits lies in their high throughput, high sensitivity, and multi-parameter detection capability. They can detect multiple cytokines in a single sample, greatly saving sample volume and reducing experiment time. Therefore, the choice of method should depend on the experimental needs, budget, time constraints, and sample volume. If high-throughput detection and simultaneous analysis of multiple cytokines are required, multiplex cytokine detection kits are the preferred choice. However, for precise detection of a single cytokine, ELISA kits still offer irreplaceable benefits. This concludes the video. Stay tuned with ELISA Science to learn more about flow cytometry knowledge.